So I had a customer call me today and they said that they dropped their laptop. It somehow fell or slid off the counter while it was being charged, and there were a bunch of issues. The laptop would not charge any longer. The corner here was bent, and yeah, the main thing is it wouldn't charge. So she brought it over. Pretty much just finished up looking at it. I don't have a good way to hold my phone yet. So this case here, the bottom lid was bent in this area pretty bad. If you look at it now, it's almost perfect. You can't even tell it's ever bent. Charging port is right here. I was impressed that Dell actually made this piece, made it removable. So I just unscrewed it there, removed the connector, pulled it out. The screw was stripped, so I had to reseat the gold female piece into the plastic with super glue. And then I used a little mallet and actually the end of a wrench that's curved. It helped me. That actually was the perfect curve along the bottom, or no, yeah, the top part here. So that was a little trick, but basically just use super glue underneath the AC adapter. And I found a little tiny, I used a sliver of a piece of plastic put on top to just, once the lid is screwed back down, it's not gonna move at all. So I was able to reconnect power here, and it just goes straight in. It's not wobbly at all. So that was a good sign. And would you look at that? It's actually charging. Push it back in, boom, charging. No issues with the screen, thankfully. I think we dodged a bullet there, but I love these types of computers or laptops that are made out of aluminum. Not exactly sure. That'll go away once I actually screw the bottom cover down. But yeah, good to go. Didn't have to order any parts this time, so that was nice.